Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to update your YouTube app on Android. So let's start. It's very easy to do it. So first let's go to Play Store. In my case I'm here. Just click on search and then just write on search apps and games YouTube. Now as you can see here appears the YouTube app. In my case it appears open the app. But if your app is not updated, in the blue button will appear update the app. So just click here and your app will be updated. Just wait until will be installed. So when your app is already updated, just click on open and this will open your YouTube account automatically. And now it's updated. So I hope this works for you. As you can see, it's very easy to do it. Please, if this video helps you, give thumb up and subscribe to our channel.